So in my opinion, this is the main view of this park. It's like pretty deep inside of the main entrance. So the way I entered, if you want to come forward, there is a way over here, but I'm not sure about the parking spot because I saw some people they park in here, and also it requires some permits and stuff. I left my car at the very far entrance over there, like the very first entrance. So please make sure you are at the right place, otherwise you might get ticketed. There was a ticketing option here, so make sure there is no permit and stuff, and it doesn't require any permit to be parked in any place. If you see it says parking for regular cars without any permit, you can definitely park there, but be vigilant and make sure it's not says any permit or anything.